Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 combo. Let's get into it. The packaging looks very clean and the gimbal does work on both iPhone and Android. So most of the devices out there currently should be supported and good to go straight out of the box. The first thing you get in the box is the OSMO Mobile 3 in its carrying case. We'll come back to this. Let's just see what else is in the box first. So you get this white box that splits into two and has instruction manuals, warranty information. Opening up the right side of this box, you have a nice little lanyard, color matched to the color of the gimbal, and a nice soft carrying pouch, which again is color matched. And this pouch does seem to be a nice soft microfiber material, so you can use this for other things too. It will protect whatever's inside from scratches and whatnot. Won't really protect from drops though. On the left side, you get a USB-C charge cable. You'll have to supply your own power brick, as the Osmo only comes with the cable. And then you get these pads that you can put on the mount of the gimbal where your phone actually goes to help support your phone. Then finally, you get the mini tripod that is also color matched to the Osmo itself, a very nice touch. Now let's take a look at the Osmo and the travel case. The case has a nice and subtle Osmo branding, and there is a pouch on the back of the case that can hold the charge cable, and maybe you can even squeeze in the tripod. I wouldn't recommend doing so, but if you need to store the tripod somewhere in a pinch, you probably can back there. There's some protective material around the gimbal, seems like a very thin foam, and a silica gel pack. Get that out of here. The top of the gimbal has some quick setup instructions. That's been a quick unboxing of the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 combo pack. I'm super excited to use this and improve my videos for you guys and just maybe shoot around and experiment with a gimbal. If you enjoyed this video or would like to see more videos from me, please hit that subscribe button and check out my channel.